I do look good in hats. Not gonna lie. Maybe next episode it could just be about we just try on different hats.
This is the Carter Cast. Today is a how-to episode, how to buy an engagement ring start to finish. What topic do you know so well that you could explain how to do it start to finish?
Logging into my Instagram, I'm pretty good at that. I do forget passwords. I'm not gonna lie.
That's the inside joke. Is that we constantly forgetting passwords.
Constantly. Oh, I'll tell you how to navigate to a Bears game because getting to a Bears game, as you may or may not know, is not easy.
No,
because
I wouldn't expect.
The stadium is on the lake. This is my secret spot. That's a really good spot. That's a parking garage a mile away. And then you leave the game, and I'm generally very sad because I'm a Bears fan, and it's usually a long, lonely walk back to the car. If we did an entire episode of that, it would be less interesting than Geraldo opening a safe.
For those of you who
might need to Google that, young
40,
people.
Geraldo was
it looks like Geraldo. This is one of those times where I wish I read questions ahead of time. Well, as you know about me, Josh, I am a people person.
I mean, yes, that's not funny.
And so I am beloved by all who meet me.
And even those who have not.
Even though it's very charming on the internet as well, obviously. That's why you're watching. Hit subscribe.